So, how is it going, Forex traders? Welcome back to yet another amazing video. And on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to make $3,000 trading the Forex market. Yeah, you heard me. I made $3,000 trading the Forex market. And as you all know, it's not new to you guys. I am a swing trader, so I hold my positions for as long as it takes to get to my profit target. So I also shared it with my free Telegram. Yeah, I shared it to my free Telegram. And if you're looking to join my free Telegram, the link will be in the description below. I'm going to drop it there so you guys can partake in other free setups I'm going to be dropping there as well. So without wasting much time, let me just show you guys what I saw and what made me take the trades and why I took it. So let's go. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I saw on my charts that made me take this trade. I actually took two trades, GBP USD and Euro USD. You're obviously going to see it on the screen, or you would have seen it on the screen. So it was two trades that I took, GBP USD and Euro USD. So I'll show you guys what I saw and why I took the trade. So if you've not subscribed, smash that subscribe button, like and comment. Let me know what you think and if this video was helpful. So yeah, this is the daily time frame on GBP USD. I'm going to start with GBP USD. This is the daily time frame, and then from the from the weekly time frame, without this at first, from the weekly time frame, I could clearly see that we we were actually bearish. So yeah, we were bearish after we took out these lows on the weekly time frame. We were bearish, then took this one out, and currently my trend is still bearish, so I'm just waiting for the pullback. And where I was potentially looking for price to change was here, this demand zone here, and price got there and then changed the trend on the daily time frame. And the daily time frame is like my confirmation time frame. That is where I see the that's where I see the trend that I want to trade, the trend I want to hope, the most recent trend I'm going to trade in. So price stopped on this weekly demand zone, and then I was waiting for. I don't want to trade because it's going to be too big on my chart, and I don't like it. So price stopped on that daily weekly demand zone, and then I was waiting for price to change the trend on the daily, which price did here. Price did here, change the trend on daily time frame, and then obviously I was waiting for price to tap on this daily demand, and then I was going to take the trade. So the price was around here before I took the trade. Before, when I was waiting, I had a first entry. I had a first entry around here, but I got stopped out on break even because I was thinking price was ready to move. So this was like my target here. Here was my target. So I was stopped out on break. So price stopped on this demand zone, and then I was ready to take the trade. I took the first entry, but we had then we had price come back to the zone, taking this as an inducement. It took this as inducement, and then I just knew that that was inducement because you could clearly see there's like the chart pattern that price does like this. When price takes out a trend, sometimes as long as this highs has not been taken, it can be an inducement, and then price goes. So as long as this major highs, because this is my major high now, this is my major low. So I was waiting for price to create a new major low and then continue trade to the upside. So that was where I was going to take my trade, the portion of the major low. So I got stopped out on break even on the first one, and then I entered again around here when I saw price swept this inducement, and then tapped on the zone very well, and then I took my trade from the 1 hour time frame. Very, very easy and simple. Same procedure. I just repeat the same process. Wait for price to like take out that. I'm just waiting for price to take out the inducement, and I saw price taking out this, and so I entered, put my stop loss here, and then so this was like a very good confirmation entry for me to this point. The first time I entered, my stop loss was just below here. So just below here. And then the second time was here. So I was like targeting like 6% on this trade, and then you could see what happened. Price went straight to my target, smashed my TP. So currently now I'm looking for a pullback and then continue the trend. I am also having like two positions. Sorry, yeah, two positions opened. That is one on GBP USD, one on Euro USD. So let me just explain. This is the GBP USD trade. Let me explain the Euro USD trade that I took. So this is Euro USD. You can see it like it was spot on. Euro USD, same thing, same scenario, same, just the same thing. Weekly, I was also waiting for. The only thing was like price took out all these lows. So I was just waiting, patiently waiting, because my overall trend for this time frame is bearish. And I'm also actually looking for price to come to this point. Once price comes to this point, I'll be waiting for price to change and I'll sell. There's going to be a massive, massive sales from next year. I don't know when it's going to start, but from next year, there's going to be massive sales, which I would love to like get in and then make profits. There's going to be massive sale. Don't worry, you heard it here. 1,000 pip drop on Euro USD and GBP USD. So here I was also waiting for price to change the trend on the daily time frame because I wanted to get in on the pullback. So I was also waiting. So after price change trend here, after price change trend here, obviously, this was not our recent demand zone. So at that time, I was waiting for price to get to this point and then use this as inducement because this is the recent, yeah. I was waiting for price to use that as inducement, and then price immediately price swept here. I was actually in around here, so you can see that price went down, but I did not close. This is where psychology comes in. When you see that you are in drawdown, you were in profit before, then you were in drawdown. So that is where the psychology like comes in. Then you don't have, you, as long as it is still following your plan, you are still risking your percentage you can afford to risk, you can afford to lose, then you are still in track, you're still in game. So that is where psychology comes in. So I was waiting for price to like sweep this inducement, and then price did, immediately price did, I just waited for the same thing on the 1 hour time frame. Same thing, set and forget entry, just the same simple steps. You can see my entries here. My entries was here. Here you can see it clearly. I did not like stress. My entry was here, and then I took the trade to the upside, straight up to that. I was targeting the swing high, the major swing high. That was like my major target. And then I have another position opened, which I'll be targeting somewhere around here. I'll be closing out once price gets to this point. This will be my like final target. I'll be closing out when price gets to this point. So I'm also waiting for price to get here, and then same thing, I sell. So that is how I was able to make that much money on trading the forex market. So you guys can also make this much money. You just have to focus on your skill and practice, 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 practice. Build yourself all the way up. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's going to help me a lot. It's going to help this channel a lot. So peace out. See you in the next video.